It's the first time that I am traveling with Emirates. Napaka-nostalgic talaga whenever I travel kasi this reminds me of my previous job sa travel industry. The travel industry talaga is very close to my heart. Pero, it's been ages then since I had a long-haul flight. 1 decade ago na yung last 16-hour flight ko. And hindi ko alam if magsusurvive ba ako dito sa 20-hour flight namin going to London. Share ko lang din, if you fly with Emirates, make sure that you will look up and see their stars. Ang ganda, no? And here we are sa Dubai Airport na for our connecting flight. So tapos na yung first leg ng aming flight. My God, mga mamshi, na-survive ko yon pero nakakapagod. Pahinga lang tayo dito sa Dubai International Airport for 3 hours bago ang next flight namin. But so far, comfortable naman yung flight namin and ang sarap ng food ng Emirates. Ang sakit lang talaga sa likod ng mga mahahabang flights. Nafe-feel ko na talaga na tumatanda na ako, mga mamshi. Here we are, nagboard na kami sa second leg ng aming flight. So see you in 9 hours, London!